Hey everyone, welcome to this super exciting tutorial on the AI Prompt Maker. I'm your enthusiastic guide, and if you're just starting out with AI tools, you're in for a treat. This web app is like your personal creative sidekick, helping you whip up prompts for images, videos, music, and more, all right in your browser. By the end of this adventure, you'll be navigating like a pro and making your own prompts in no time. Let's jump right in and unlock that creativity. Awesome. First up, a quick overview to get us pumped. You will need to register and log in to get started. Once you're in, you'll see a vibrant dashboard packed with buttons, drop-downs, text inputs, and fun features. It even tracks your credit limit for prompts. Think of it as your daily creative allowance, usually a few free ones to keep things balanced. If you run out, don't worry, pop-ups will pop up to help you recharge or earn more credits. Exciting, right? Now, let's dive into the steps and make some magic. Step 1. Logging in and understanding the dashboard. All right, friends, start by making sure you're logged in. Look for that log out button at the top to confirm you're good to go. The dashboard is your creative headquarters, with a big, bold title like AI Prompt Maker grabbing your attention. You'll spot handy buttons for My Library, Statistics, Referral Program, and Add a Review. Click Referral Program to earn extra credits by sharing with friends. Or hit Add a Review for 2 free credits, upload a photo, and a generated prompt to the gallery for extra credits. Use the referral program and invite a friend for 5 extra credits. On the left, there's a menu with over 40 other AI tools. These will be discussed in upcoming video tutorial, but let's focus on that central card where the real fun begins. Imagine you're an artist ready to generate an image. This dashboard makes it a breeze. Step 2. Selecting your prompt type. Oh, this is where it gets thrilling. In the main card, kick things off with the drop-down labeled 1. What do you want to create? It's got awesome options like image, video, music, lyrics, and more. Perfect for beginners. Let's say you pick image for something like Artistly or Video Express AI Magic. Then, another drop-down for style appears, with choices like realistic or cartoon. Or type your own in the text box if you're feeling custom, like typing none to skip it. Step 3. Entering your theme and starting the process. You got this. Now, head to the text input for basic idea theme. Keep it simple and fun, like typing a futuristic city at night for an epic image. It's all about your ideas, no pressure. Below that, hit the Start Building button to get the ball rolling. Check your limit first. It's right there in a box, like you have 5 prompts left. If you're all set, it zooms ahead. If not, a helpful message pops up to recharge. Let's keep that energy high and move forward. Step 4. Answering questions to build your prompt. Things are getting interactive now. Yay! After clicking Start Building, you'll see a progress bar like Question 1, 8, guiding you step by step. Each question has a drop-down with multiple choices. Hold Control or CMD to pick more than one. These choices will change and get loaded by the AI with previous selections to give you the perfect prompt. Select blue and red for colors, or use the text box to add your own flair, like typing adventurous for a mood. Click Next Question to advance, and if the app's thinking, just watch that spinning loader. It's working its AI wonders in seconds. This beginner-friendly process breaks everything down into easy, exciting choices. For a story prompt, you might select fantasy for characters or settings. What a creative journey. Step 5. Viewing and saving your results. Drumroll, please. Here's the payoff. Once you're through, your generated prompt appears in a cool box, like create an image of a futuristic city at night with blue and red lights. If you opted for content, you might see actual lyrics or code. Amazing. The app will auto-save to your library with a confirmation message. Then, hit Let's create a new prompt to start fresh, and check My Library later for your saves. Oh, and if you hit your credit limit, a pop-up offers ways to recharge via PayPal or earn more through referrals. Smart and supportive. Finally, don't miss the extras. Buttons like Help Guide and Information are gold for beginners, packed with tips, and the gallery lets you upload creations for even more credits. Wrapping up, the AI Prompt Maker is such a fun, straightforward tool for turning your wild ideas into reality. Practice with something simple like a music prompt, and you'll be a pro in no time. You got this. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Now go create something incredible. If you have questions, check the help section. See you next time.